Calgary. Salam, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, yali madad. How's everybody? Thank you. Welcome to Magnolia Banquet Hall. My name is Salma Jadavji, and I'm thrilled to be half of the I'm saying I'll be doing. There'll be somebody coming later. Tonight's program is going to be an absolute pleasure to welcome you and and guide you through an evening filled with music and excitement. So please bear with us. It's going to be fun. Before we start the show, I would like to do the land acknowledgement. We are acknowledging and paying tribute to the traditional territories of the peoples of Treaty 7, which include the Blackfoot Confederacy, comprised of the Siksika, the Piikani, and the Kainai First Nations, the Tsuut'ina First Nation, and the Stoney Nakoda, including Chiniki, Bearspaw, and Goodstoney First Nations. The city of Calgary is also home to the Métis Nation of Alberta, Districts 5 and 6. Magnolia Banquet Hall is situated on land northeast of where the Bow River meets the Elbow River. With gratitude in our hearts and deep respect for the land and its people, we are absolutely thrilled to welcome you all to an extraordinary evening of rhythms, dance, and captivating melodies. Tonight is about coming together as one through music, sharing stories and creating everlasting memories. Whether you are here to discover something new or to simply enjoy the rhythm, we are so glad you are all here with us. Just a few housekeeping reminders before we begin. Please take a moment to locate the nearest fire exits in case of an emergency. Washrooms are available outside of this hall. When you turn right, you will see the washrooms there. There is a food vendor, Namaste India. You can purchase the food, and then there is Amir Panwala. You can purchase pans who like to eat pans. And throughout the night, you can purchase food. We kindly ask you that you dispose of your cutlery and any waste in the proper bins provided. Let's all do our part to keep the venue clean and show respect for the space we are using. Raffle tickets will be there to be purchased, so be sure to grab your tickets. There are fantastic prizes to be won. And please be mindful of those who are around you. Help us create a welcoming atmosphere for all. A little kindness goes a long way in making this a positive experience for everyone. There is an epic photo booth. You can take pictures, and if you need to get it printed, it's for $10, and that is also going towards the donation. So there's lots happening tonight. Thank you so much, and we will ask you to rise for O Canada now, please.
Can't hold us in one day.
was amazing. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Kindly be seated. Let's give one more huge round of applause for Alia Ramji. We are excited for a wonderful evening ahead, filled with music, dance, performances, and Danya Ras. That reminds me there are some Danya available if anybody wants to get it, but make sure that when you are leaving, don't just leave it everywhere, put it back in the box. That will be greatly kindly requested from you. So this is all the housekeeping rules. Now, I'm going to invite the man behind all this. So I'm going to ask Jalal Ladakh to come up and say a few words, because this wouldn't have happened without his hard work. The team behind him, but he's the guy. Please give him a...
There's a food there. I need some energy here. Hello, everyone. They were better. What about left side? Hello, everyone. Can we try one more time here? Hello, everyone. Now I know there are some people here in the audience. Yali Brother Sasikal Adab, Assalamu alaikum, and Namaste. How are you guys doing? I was just talking to one of our friends outside. I said, you know, done so many shows, but this is the first time we were all full before we even start. So, ek baar apne liye taaliyan baja diya, please. Thank you so much for coming early on time. And I think we were late about 3 minutes. I think you can live with that. But no, thank you so much everyone for coming here. It's for a great cause for our friends who wants to go to Global Encounters. How many people went to Dubai in 2016? How many? Anyone here who went to Dubai? There you go. I can see one of them. Anyone? One more here. Anyone more at the back? Huh? Oh, okay, they went. How was that? Was it fun? Wasn't it? So, yes, it was fun. Now we are, of course, the next game's coming up from July 20 to 27 in Dubai for the next version of Global Encounters. And I cannot wait for it. It's going to be lots of fun again. Lots of memories. Just want to share one more thing. When I went there for 2016 Dubai, that was the first time myself in Dubai. And that was the first time we met our own brothers sisters from Tajikistan, from Afghanistan, from Singapore, Bangladesh, USA, of course Canada, like the whole Canada was there, and the Syrian people. It was so much fun. And you know, that time it was created the hashtag One Jamaat. That was the time it was created. And you can see the One Jamaat was everywhere. We were going out together, eating together, lunch, dinner, chai, everything was together. It was so much fun. So now the next game is coming up, from July 20 to 27. If I take you back about a year or so, one of my good friends, he is a music director, he is sound engineer, he's a sound expert, sound expert, it's still a small name for him. He is the best in his business. Nawaz Walji. Nawaz Walji. Come here, buddy. So we talked to him, let's do a show together. I said, okay, let me think about it. How can we do it, where we can do it. But the way that Nawaz is, I have to find the right venue, right event, and the right music. And when this thing came up, I said, Nawaz, what do you think? Actually, he called me, he said, Jalal bhai, what do you think? Can we do something for the athletes? I said, by all means, let's do Bismillah. I said, what do you want to do? He said, let's help the athletes that want to go to the Global Encounters Dubai. And of course, it's not that easy to go, it's not cheap to go. Let's help them out. I said, okay, let's do it. And now this is the result after about a year and a half. So thank you so much everyone for coming here again. एक बार फिर से ताली बजाओ अपने लिए यार.
Yeah, I'm not going to really say anything right now, but when Dunya Raga starts up, you'll hear me out there.
Yeah, he is a drummer for Dunya Raga. So of course we are helping the Global Encounters, table tennis and the women's robot team from Calgary. So the way you can help, of course, you bought the ticket, and then plus you can get the epic short picture, pay $10, get your ticket, like a picture printed, you pay $10 for it, it goes to the athletes. If you buy the bond, everything, whatever you buy here, it will help the athletes. So hopefully you do your part, we are doing our part, so that we can help our athletes. Of course, we are sold out here just because our team we have here. Our good friend Shenaz Diamond Murji. तालियां बनती एक बार फिर से सबके लिए. जैसा भी और sold out here. Neelam Bey, Lata Patel, Salma Jadavi, Kasam Dorani, Karim Dhanji, Zara Khakru. Zara, did you pay them or what? And there are so many others like Zurajan, he's helping me, as well. Ek baar phir Zurajan ke taaliyan bandi please. There are so many others, if I'm missing any names, so maaf karna. But there are so many others because it's not a one-person job. The whole team works behind the scene and we make sure it's sold out and it is sold out as we speak. Of course, there are huge part it's played by our sponsor. Without sponsor, it's not even possible. Can I have a huge round of applause for the mega sponsor, Hyundai Toyota? And inspired by Shaukat Hayat and Sana Jahangir. Then our silver sponsors, Data Insurance, Ali Welji, TV Sharma Real Estate. And how many people remember Amir Jesani? Yes, our legend photographer. Edo Japan gold sponsor, our Fiaz and his family. They are Basket Printing, our gold sponsor as well. The one who does all our printing. Conway Yamin Barani. Silver sponsor is here. Anybody? No, it's not here yet. SpaceX Consulting, our Altaz Bukisa from Northwest Kane. Watch Warehouse. Links Accounting, Bhat Kadai, the people like most of my shows done at the Bhat Kadai. So Bhat Kadai or Hamza Bhat. Beller Safari. Samir Dev's already here. Shazi is here right now. Thank you, Shazi. Then Wild Aztec Ali Khan. Mr. Rogers Wallet, he's our brand new sponsor. Take up Mr. Tali Bajaman, good friend. And of course, there are so many people who does our media partner, Radio Sursangam. Nadim Tufel, Salam Namazatiya, Jodi Samajadami, myself, Hum TV, our photographer, Sohail Bhai, Sohail Kashi, SK Clicks, if Tali want to please. Then Eco Shot, the one he sent me that the stand, our Shah Shehzad, thank you Shahzad Bhai. ABC Video, Nadir, where are you, Nadir? Talir, please, there you go, Nadir is here. Then we have Yasin Nazari, photographer, he's here somewhere. There you go, right there. Thank you, Yasin. Decoration by our good friend Jas Sabarwal, and of course, food vendors by our Namaste India. Make sure you get the food, it's really yummy, like very yummy. Okay, my next person on the stage, one of our good friend of mine, good friend of our community. He's MLA for the front race. Parmit Singh, sir, can you come on stage, please? Like you are always happy to see me. I hope my wife does the same thing.
She does.
She does.
Sure, yeah, autograph, yeah.
Please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Parmit Singh Boparai. I'm the MLA from Calgary Falconridge. And trust me, I won't make you bored for more than 1 minute. Before coming here, I was talking to Nahid Menchi. He's our new leader for World NDP. He said, make sure say hi and Yali Madad on my behalf. So it's a hello and Yali Madad to all of you on this behalf. And I would like to thank Jalal Bhai, Salamaj's entire team for organizing such a great event. And thank you all of you for joining despite of this weather. And the most important for joining, for supporting such a great cause. And I will just share a little bit of story with you. Someone asked Mike Tyson once that how did you knock down one person, his opponent, in one punch? And his reply was, he said, you saw that, but you didn't realize my 40 years of hard work behind this. So I would like to thank you, Jalal Bhai. I know it takes lots of efforts, lots of teamwork behind the scene. And also we always talk about the mental health. And these kind of events are so important for our mental health, for socialization, to enjoy our culture, to showcase our culture, and to enjoy with each and everyone. Again, I would like to thank you, all of you, and thank you, Jalal Bhai. Whatever we can do, we are here for you all the time. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you know, let's go Dubai.
For sure.
Thank you so much. And you know, he's so supportive. Whenever we ask, but he always comes. एक बार visit आ लिया बनती है हमारे पास. Thank you so much, buddy. Wow. So okay, let's meet.
On time right now. Thank you so much. So we are going to start with the bang, this show. We are starting the night on a vibrant and energetic note with a performance that's sure to captivate you. Please join me in Soul Feet.
banquet hall. My name is Satara and I'll be your MC for the rest of the evening. We're not gonna take any more time. I'm just gonna dive into introducing our band. It is with great pleasure, it is my great pleasure to introduce our band that beautifully blends cultures and diversity through music, bringing together the vibrant rhythms of Bollywood sound, the rich melodies of Central Asia, and soulful beats of Swahili songs. Their unique fusion is not just music, it's way more than that. It's a celebration of pluralism, unity, and the shared joy of connecting as all. Through every song, every beat, and every moment on stage. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to this incredible band. Give it up, everyone, for Dunia Raga. May I request all the artists to please take their spots on the stage and please allow me to introduce tonight's most mesmerizing voices that have touched hearts all around the world, and tonight will take us on a journey through music, memories, and magic. Please give it up for, I'm gonna start from my left, Zahir Jalal Malani. A very warm welcome to Alia Damji. The unstoppable rising star, Zohra Akbari. The most talented, Shazeen Devaji. Last but definitely not the least, my very favorite, Hussein Virani. Alright everyone, give it up for our phenomenal keyboardist, Alim Kanji. Having started playing at the age 3, Alim has perfected his craft for a lifetime, mastering the art of creating magic on the keyboard and playing in Khoshali since age 8. His passion and expertise shine through every note, and we're thrilled to have him tonight with us here sharing his talent. Please give a huge round of applause for Alim Kanji. Let's hear it for Nawaz Walji.
आज बदे आनंद आओ प्यारा रहीम शाह आओ हमारे आंगने हो प्यारा आओ हमारे आंगने कि तमे आओ जो प्यारा रहीम शाह आओ हमारे आंगने हो प्यारा आओ हमारे आंगने तेरा क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तुझको जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला, तेरे साथ मेरा नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। देखा जाए तो वैसे अपने तो सारे पैसे रखे जमीन पे ही वसूल है, चेहरा है तेरा चंदा, नैना तेरे सितारे, हम पर तक जाना ही फजूल है, हम पर तक जाना ही फजूल है, इसके बाद भी अगर तुझे चैन ना मिले, पूरी करके मैं तेरी ये मुराद लाऊंगी, तेरे वास्ते फलक पे से मैं चांद लाऊंगा, 16 17 सितारे संग बांध लाऊंगा, तेरे वास्ते फलक पे से मैं चांद लाऊंगा, 16 17 सितारे संग बांध लाऊंगा। जनाबे आली, जनाबे आली, प्यारी फिर कहाँ मुलाकात हो, उस हसीना से फिर दिल की बात हो। क्या पता फिर कहाँ मुलाकात हो, उस हसीना से फिर दिल की बात हो। उसकी जैसी हंसी जो कभी मिले तो ज़माना दे देगा अपना प्यार। ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार। Thank you.
A very
पापी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी, पापी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी, ना शगन देती सुहाग में दीदा, हीरा ना शगन देती सुहाग में दीदा, पापी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी, पापी तेरी वे वीरा शगन करेगी, ना शगन देती सुहाग में दीदा, हीरा ना शगन देती सुहाग में दीदा।
Okay, Begum Ladani, here we go. Begum Ladani, all right. Please, yeah. Okay, turn on, turn on, turn on. Nine 53283. 9145328. We did check. Okay, we don't have anyone anyways. Okay, no. Shake it. Okay, Mukesh, one more. 914539096. Sajjad. Oh no, sorry, no, he's not. He's not. Falsy. 914539096. All right, we got a beautiful lady here. And the gift is Eyes by Bashir, $200 gift certificate. number is 914-53227. 914-53227. Oh, Gunnar. And the gift is one physio and mobility gift card for $200. Okay, कर दूंगा यार, आराम। चलिए बोलो। Alright, okay, you might have a different luck now. It's a black color ticket. 387-98457. 387-98457. 387-984. Oh, alright. It's a wristwatch from Watch Warehouse. 457. Yep. Please. Yeah.
Taking a picture.
Thank you. Oh, it is black. अभी नहीं निकलेगा reject. That's it. 387-98503. 387-98503. All of you. Okay, 914-53261. 914-53261. Oh, we got a winner here on the right side.
Oh, wow, nice. That's perfect.
Awesome. 914-53250. 914-53250. 914-53250. One. You have it? 914-53250. It's Five 530 914-530-95. It's a car detailing package from Orthodox Honda. Worth $300. Witness. The next one is our own, Calgary's own, Salma Jadavi's painting. And the number is 914-530-93. You're a winner, you're a winner! 914-530-93. The lady in black very excited about it.
Thank you. Yeah, I won!
To give away Calgary Stampeders against Saskatchewan Rough Riders in August. It's actually August the 23rd at McMahon Stadium. Stampeders against Rough Riders, and the Mukisa will make a last draw. And the winner is, it's a black color, guys. 38798 4, 5, 5. 387 984 55. 387 984 55. Oh, we got a winner here. All right. I hope you are a Stampeders fan. And it's a big thanks to Calgary Sports Media, the one who owns the Calgary Flames and Calgary Stampeders. Jadavi, Sarma Jadavi, Shehnaz Murji here on the stage. Lata ji, where are you, Lata?
And Karim.
Karim Khanji, where are you? Karim. And Sitara, yeah, Shazli. From the Global Encounters Team Canada, thank you so much for coming, Ali. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, do we have any other coaches here?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We have Faisal here from soccer team. Jasani, our legendary Indo Japan Fayaz and family. Casket printing, Convini Amin Meral is here. Space Age in company warehouse, watch warehouse. Like we have Sajjad Sarjan from the Link Accounting, sorry. Bhatkara hai, our good friend Hamza Bhatt. Beller, Safari, Samir Devji, Ali Khan from a wireless tech and all the small media, Radio Susangam, then it was Hum News, Dunia News, Salana Masjid Calgary, food vendor by Namaste India. Amin Panwala is here too, our good friend. Suel Kashi, our photographer. Yasin Nazari, ABC Video, which is our Nadir. And the photo, our epic booth, Mr. Shah Shahzad. Thank you, Shahzad, for doing it. Really, really appreciate it. And thanks to all of you. I'm going to call our orchestra, Dunia Raga, and it'll be non-stop. And Sitara, hey, Sitara, come over here. By the way, Sitara is a beautiful girl from our Dunia Raga, and she's an amazing MC for the band, only for the band. She won't do anything for me if I say anything.
If you ask me.
Okay, you can take over now. All the best.
Alright, thank you everyone. Oh, alright, let's give a huge round of applause to our winners. I have another exciting news. We will be having another draw towards the end of the night. So if you haven't purchased your tickets, please do so. It is 3 tickets for $10. So make sure you get them. Are we all having fun so far? I did not hear anything. Let's make some noise. Loud and clear. Let's go. Let's go, Calgary. Louder. Alrighty, let's give a huge round of applause to our band as they're getting ready to take the stage one more time.